Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how you can quickly recover your files from your hard drive. Maybe you deleted them by accident, or like me, you reformatted your whole computer and then you realized that everything that you tried to save did not save. I went out and I bought several programs from local store, software tools, and none of them worked. So I wasted a whole lot of money because they obviously would not take the software back. So I was kind of stuck with those, and I went online and I did find a very cool tool that allowed me to search my hard drive, and it would show me the files that it could recover before I would pay for it. And I thought that was something I should have done in the first place. So if you want to, go to www.savemyfiles.net. And on this page it shows you a couple screenshots of the software and what it looks like. You can read more about it, but there's a free download. You can download it free to your computer and you can run it, and it will show you exactly the files that it can recover from your hard drive before you decide to purchase it to actually recover the files. So once you download it, you'll get an icon that looks like this. It says Launch Data Recovery. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now, I haven't tried these features here. I went straight to the advanced search, and I saw where you could, where it would check not just your hard drive, but I also have an external hard drive, and I have a USB drive, and I also have a memory card for my phone, and it will search through all those, and if any of those are damaged, if you've deleted files, if it's been formatted, it will go in there and show you the files that it can recover from any of those. Now, one thing you do have to remember is if you do format your hard drive, those previous files that were on your hard drive are still there, but they can be overwritten. There's nothing to protect them from not being overwritten. So if you're downloading stuff on your computer, adding new things to your computer, there's a good possibility that the new things may be overwriting the old things on your file, the old things on your hard drive. So you want to make sure that you try to get this done as soon as you can, so you don't lose any more files if you've been doing that. So the original scan lets you do a quick scan of your computer and devices that are attached to it. You can even do a search for a specific file that it will search for. You can do a full scan and it'll search for anything connected to your computer. The guided scan, I actually never done that, so I'm not sure. It says guide you through the selection of file or email recovery. But like I said, I went to advanced and I unchecked everything except my C drive, which is what I formatted. And I left these boxes check marked for the recycle bin, files without names, corrupt hard drive sectors, and reformatted partitions. And I clicked Start Scan. And it works very fast. You see up here it's already found 180 previous files, 200, 300, and it keeps going on and on. And it also organizes them very neatly into individual sections here: images, documents, audio, video, text, HTML, compressed files, folders, binary files, and other files. And you can view everything before you ever decide to recover it. And you can choose the things you want to recover and the things you don't want to recover. And so it says it's found 1,059 things so far. And it'll keep going on and on until it finds everything. And then once you're done, I'm just going to go ahead and click Cancel. It's going to show you everything that it found. And then it's going to tell you down here the file recovery location. Right now mine's set to my desktop in a folder, recovery items, and I can change that if I want. And then I just click Recover. Oops, we got to go. I'll just select Images, and I'll click Recover. And it's going to go and it's going to start recovering all those files that's on my hard drive that it found. So super easy way. Excuse me. If you have accidentally deleted your files on your hard drive, if your hard drive is crashed, if you reformatted your hard drive, this software, it's most likely going to also be able to find all those files for you too. So like I said, the website is savemyfiles.net, and you can go there and download the free trial. Not really a free trial, but I guess it's a version that you can at least test and see if it can recover your files before you decide to purchase it. So there you have it, and I hope that helps.